The question is saying that an object of size 3 centimeter, that is the height of the object is given 3 centimeter, is placed 14 centimeter in front of the concave lens. Here concave lens, the subject is concave lens and the object distance is 14 centimeters. So we can write u equals to 14 centimeter in front, that is minus for 14 centimeter would be there, and concave lens of focal length 21 centimeters. So here f is going to be equal to minus of 21 centimeter because it is concave lens. Now describe the image produced by the lens. We have to find out image, and we have to describe the image. It means we have to find out v, and we also need to find out m because that tells us the nature of image, that is whether it is diminished in size and it is virtual or not. So we have to also comment on what happens if the object is moved further away from the lens. Now what if the object is moved, this object is moved away from the lens, or it is moved on the left hand side, what will happen to the image? Now let us first use the lens formula over here. We will find the value of v, then we will find the value of n, and then we will comment on the nature of the image. So using the lens formula, we have got 1 by v minus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. So here 1 by v would be equal to 1 by u, that is 1 by f is minus of 1 by 21 centimeter, and then u will go on that side, and that too is negative, so it will remain negative of 1 by 14 centimeter. This will give us the value of 1 by v equals to minus of 5 by 42. Thus, the value of v is going to be equal to minus of 8.4 centimeter. So the image is on the left hand side of the lens because we have got a value of negative v. Now let us try to find out the value of magnification. Magnification for the lens is defined as v by u. So substituting the values, we will get minus of 8.4 centimeter divided by the value of u is 14 centimeter, minus of 14 centimeter, and this will give us a value of 0.6. So here magnification is less than 1, that is the image will be diminished, and it is positive, magnification is positive. That means the object is going to be virtual and it is going to be erect. Now let us comment on what happens if the object is moved further away from the lens. Now let us first draw roughly the image with the ray diagram of this. So here let us assume that this is the focus. So a ray parallel will go on from here, and then it will appear to diverge from the focus, and the second ray will go from the center. Now the image will be somewhere like this. Now as we move this object away from the focus or away from the lens, let's assume that the object is placed over here. So what we will see is the image will tend towards the focus because this parallel ray is going to be going in this direction only, but the second ray like this. So we will see that the magnification will drop further on, and as u is increased to infinity, the image distance v will tend towards the focus and the magnification will tend towards 0. Thank you.